back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Active Directory Recycle Bin. Active Directory Recycle Bin is a function that is used for restoring deleted objects from Active Directory. Whatever objects deleted from Active Directory, it may get stored in Active Directory Recycle Bin. From there, you can easily restore the objects. So the requirement is you should have your Active Directory forest functional level from 2008 R2 to next. Means you can enable this feature if you have Active Directory forest functional level 2008 R2 and upper level. Okay. So if you have forest functional level 2008 only, then you cannot enable that feature. Okay, so let's check what is the functional level is configured on our domain controller. Just you should open server manager console on domain controller. Just go to the tools. Here you need to select Active Directory domains and trust. Once Active Directory domain and trust window opens, console opens, you just click on Active Directory domain and trust option, and here you can see raise forest functional level. Once you click here, you may see this window. See, my domain means my domain controller forest functional level is Windows Server 2012, means it is highest, means it's more than 2008 R2. Then I can easily enable Active Directory Recycle Bin on my domain controller. So next step, how do we enable Active Directory Recycle Bin on our domain controller? Okay, so just go to tools again, go to Active Directory Administrative Center. Once the Active Directory Administrative Console opens, you can see your domain name at the left side pane. See, now you can see at the right side pane enable recycle bin. If this is grayed out, if this seems grayed out, that means you have already enabled Active Directory Recycle Bin. Okay, and if it is ready to enable, then it is not configured yet. Okay, and one more thing, guys, if you once you enable this feature, you cannot disable it again. Okay, you cannot disable it. So once you enable here, it will replicate to other domain controllers as well. Means automatically Active Directory Recycle Bin will get enabled on others domain controllers too. Okay, see, are you sure you want to perform this action? Once Recycle Bin has been enabled, it cannot be disabled, right? Click on OK. Please refresh Active Directory Administrative Center now. See, Active Directory ADDS has begun enabling Recycle Bin for this forest. Okay, the Recycle Bin will not function reliably until all domain controllers in the forest have replicated the Recycle Bin configuration change. That's what I told you, guys. Once you enable here, it will get replicated to other domain controllers too. See, let me just refresh. In my lab, I have only one domain controller. That is why it is not going to replicate on other domain controllers. See, you can see here. Now enable recycle bin is grayed out. That means our Active Directory Recycle Bin is enabled. How will you check that if my recycle bin is enabled or not? You can see here that deleted objects container will be created. See, whenever you delete any object, it will get stored here, and from here you can restore back. See, and whatever deleted before enabling recycle bin, that will not get stored here. You can only see whatever objects deleted after Active Directory Recycle Bin enabled. Whatever deleted before, it will not show here. Okay guys, so let me close this window and we'll test how to restore Active Directory object. Just let me open Active Directory console and we'll create one account. User account. Under the user account, we will create one user account called test5. Test5 will be the user account. Okay. Next, uncheck this mark. Password will be password. Click on next. Finish. See, the account has been created successfully. Now we will delete this account. Okay. Once we delete this account, it has been removed from here, right? So refresh it. See, the account is not exist at all, right? Now just go to Active Directory Administrative Tool and let's check if that account is available in deleted objects or not. Go to deleted objects. See, the account is exist now. Correct? So just if you want to restore it, you can restore it from here. Just add, in the right pane, you can see restore button. Once you click on restore, the account will immediately restored. See, just refresh it. See, account get restored. Okay, guys, understood? Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day. Bye.